You guys can follow me on Instagram and Telegram and other social media also. Link will be in the description, guys. Do follow for more and recent updates on my YouTube channel. So, hello everyone. My name is Pritam Paul and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, here I have come with another video today. In this video, we will try to explore an interview experience at Cadence. So, to discuss about all these things, I have my senior Vishwaranjan Bhaiya with me, and he will explain all the things what he has been gone through and how he cracked Cadence. So, we will try to explore that. Okay, so without wasting the time, please, I would like to welcome Vishwaranjan Bhaiya. So welcome Bhaiya, welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for giving the time for the video. Please introduce yourself.
Hey, hi, Pritam. Yeah, thanks for this opportunity. So, yeah, hi all. I am Vishwaranjan Pati and I am from Jajpur, Odisha. I have completed my BTech from Silicon Institute of Technology, Bhubaneswar in the year of 2013. And then I have started my MTech from NIT Agartala in the year of 2015 and passed out in 2017. After that, I have joined Sankal Semiconductor in the year of 2017 itself, and I was working in the AMS verification modeling side there. And recently, I have joined Cadence Design System in Bangalore. Uh, yeah, that's all.
So, before going into the Cadence interview experience, I would like to explore your whole professional profile from BTech to MTech, and after that, the Sankal Semiconductor part also. That what are the things you have done in your BTech life and the CGPAs, training, internships, and after that, the MTech journey, the gate preparation journey, everything. Please tell us about that.
Okay, so uh, I can say in my BTech, normally I was not a technical type of guy. Means I was not interested much towards electronics. I was more interested toward instrumentation because my BTech background was from electronics and instrumentation. But when I was going through one training program called VLSI Design in CTTC Bhubaneswar, there actually I have got some experience, some exposure towards VLSI design. So then my interest towards this VLSI field was grown up, and I've started to learn some things actually. So I was I was loved that time to towards this electronic sector. So the electronic sector means VLSI is the core sector, you can say. Chip manufacturing, chip design mainly, not manufacturing. Manufacturing is not happening in India, so mainly chip design and verification. So so that time um, I just started my mm, journey towards this VLSI design sector. So then in my MTech, I opted for this VLSI design itself because my interest was towards this VLSI. So after, but that time I mainly focused in my higher means MTech, and then I was planning for PhD. But during this MTech, uh, I have started to realize this. Yeah, I can join this VLSI sector as an employee, professional employee, and I should gain this industrial knowledge because to go towards this academic like PhD, this industrial experience is much needed. So that's why I looking for this one job in VLSI design. So then I have also done in my MTech project in VLSI also. That was in analog testing itself. So then in Sankalp also I was working in AMS, means analog and mixed signal modeling and verification. So in the modeling side, normally in the when one chip is designed that time to simulate various simulations, a model is required. So I mainly focus towards this model, some dummies you can say. So those are not actually going to the silicon because, but at the time of simulation, those models are needed. And also verification, you may be aware of this verification thing. So verification is a mm, is the most critical part in the VLSI of design flow. So I was working in that AMS verification side. I can say in my journey like this, and then I am now in Cadence. Yeah, that much I can say. Yeah.
Okay, so after means after working for 3.5 years in Sankalp Semiconductors, so what do you think? What is your big exposure in which domain? Means what are the things you have learned while working in that company? What do you think?
Yeah, Sankalp, in the learning perspective, when I have joined Sankalp, uh, I don't know nothing. Means I can say I don't know nothing. That time I thought that yeah I know something, but actually in the VLSI design I didn't know nothing, because VLSI design sector is a very means vast sector. The uh, your technical skill must be very high. Means particularly analog and digital knowledge should be very depth. So so in at the joining, I have gone through some training program, VLSI design, analog design training, and also some verification training, like Verilog and system Verilog training. So I have learned all those things, and some training like on job training also during my project. I have learned so much things. Some something I have learned and something unlearned. Actually, in academic, we learn so much things, but those are not applicable in the industry. So those things I have to unlearn, and something I have to learn. Those are actually which is applicable in the industry, and uh, which is exact for to design something in the silicon. So those things I have learned. And so mainly literally, if I will say, then I normally modeling and verification I have learned. And in the modeling part, I've learned this system Verilog, Verilog, then Verilog A, Verilog AMS, all those things. And in the AMS side, AMS verification design, normally I have worked in the Cadence design flow. So I can say like this, but I can't go in the depth, because if I will go depth, then this will be much more boring.
No problem. I can understand. And now let's jump to the Cadence interview experiences. So, what are the things has happened?
Okay.
First of all, let us know that how did you apply? As it is an
Okay.
off-campus placement, obviously. So, how did you apply? Please tell us about that.
Okay. So no, normally LinkedIn is a very good platform to apply of this. Means as I am an experienced person, so LinkedIn and Naukri, two sites are very useful to apply for this all these type of jobs. But I have applied through LinkedIn as well as in the Cadence official career site. So I have applied in the both in these the two platforms. And I have then in 1 week HR contacted me and scheduled one interview. So if I'll go to interview process, it was a like 5 to 6 round interview. Normally 4 to 5 rounds are technical interviews, which those are the first round was mainly obviously for screening. Then gradually all those second, third, fourth, those all those rounds are technical rounds. So mainly they were focused about my previous works, previous project works. They asked me some current means real time situation. So how I will face those situations. If I will face those situations, and what will be my reply to that particular technical problem. So then the final round was like a discussion round with my manager. Then finally one HR round was there. That's all.
Okay, so can you please tell us in details that what are the things they were focused on in the technical rounds, and means what are the things they have asked you? Means, can you share
Okay.
about all these things?
The experience rounds are mainly depends upon your CV. What are the things if you will mention, means it depends. Person to person, it varies. So mainly, these rounds were depends upon your CV general from previous projects. So my previous projects are mainly power management projects. Means I was working mainly on power management. So actually, this VLSI design in mixed signal division side, mainly these are in the analog design. Three fields are there. One is power management, another is SARDIS, I mean PLL, and another was ADC, data converter. So I was working in power management. So mainly uh, power management model and verification. So mainly my interview was power management questions like buck converter, mainly DC-DC converter I was working. So those questions were related to buck converter loop. Then also MOS basics they asked. Also some filters they can put. They can ask some about some RC filter modeling. Then WReal and system Verilog modeling, as I was working in WReal and system Verilog modeling. You people may not be aware of this WReal and system real number modeling, but those are two modeling which is used in analog modeling field. So WReal and system real number modeling, so many questions they have asked. And then some digital questions also, like some basic digital questions they can ask related to system Verilog. Um, like that. And second round, third round was real tough rounds because their expectation, something they will ask, and my experience, I will answer those questions. So yeah, second and third round were very tough round actually.
Okay, so it seems it's all about your CV. Any person who will be
Yeah.
putting the things in the CV, accordingly he will be asked those kind of questions, and according to
Yes.
his profile, projects, and experience, obviously.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Actually, some for experienced guys this matter. But for one freshers, they can ask anything. They can ask for their job profile. They can ask anything. But for an experienced guy, they will ask only the thing which he or she will mention in the CV only. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me one thing. It's I'm really very curious about this thing. Because, does really they recruit the BTech students, BTech graduates,
Yeah, they will. Why not? Means BTech
and what kind
actually.
of profile those students will be having after joining the company? Means, and what is your profile? Means, on which part you will be working on?
Okay.
They have assigned you. Please tell us about that.
By answering for the first question, which is for BTech graduate. So see, if you are in BTech graduate and you are pursuing BTech, so do one internship in the last year, means in the eighth or seventh or eighth semester. You do one internship, at least one internship in any company. The company, I'm telling, not in the lab, in the government or any lab. Do in internship in any company and give some experience. mm, Means take some experience in this field, and then you can apply for this Cadence or any product company you can apply, or service company also. So they will hire you. No, maybe they will take as an intern, but they will hire you, no problem. So
Yeah.
I was working in the lead design engineer, mainly in the AMS modeling and verification side. So actually, in the if you know, means in the complete VLSI design flow, there is a design part. So in the parallel to design, there is a modeling and verification part. So mainly, I'm working in this analog and mixed signal modeling and verification domain.
Okay, and at the last, would you like to give some advice or tips to the juniors or the means who will be preparing for Cadence or will be applying to that company?
Okay, I will not say particularly about Cadence, but I can say overally that if you are in BTech, so in the third year or fourth year, you just try to gain knowledge in this electronics. If you are really interested in this VLSI sector, then you just go through your basics mainly, because these companies, if you are a fresher, then they will seek only your basics. Means if your basic is strong, then you can do anything in your life. So go for the basics, analog and basic analog design, digital design, those things only. Control system, signal system, basics. Normally, if you are preparing for gate also, basics is needed. So anywhere your basic is important. So if you so go for your basic and do your basic strong. And MTech, for MTech, if you are pursuing MTech, then in the second year, in the parallel to your project, you prepare for these interviews. If you can go for internship, then must you should go for this internship program, because internship will learn so much things about industry. Yeah, I can say this.
Thank you so much, Bhaiya, for sharing all these experiences with us. And the viewers, I would like to say that if you really like this video, so share with your friends who are really interested in VLSI and obviously designing field. So and if you really like it, so hit the like button and let us know through comment if you have any doubt. And in the description, I will be putting his LinkedIn profile link so that you can easily connect with him on LinkedIn. So this is the ending part of the video, guys. And if you found this video useful, hit the like button and let me know through comments below there. And please subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that every video could be reached to you through notification. You guys can follow me on Instagram and Telegram and other social media also. Links will be in the description, guys. So please do follow for regular updates on my channel. So this much for today, guys. See you on the next video.